Hello people, this is Power here, and I'm proud to give you an unboxing slash review of the Yokai Watch Model 0. I just got this, today on, uh, okay, yeah, I know there's no push, but it's like, you know what, I don't need to show off, but anyway, it's, October 22nd, so, I just got this at Walmart for 25, 24, 90. I don't know the exact price, but for like about $25. It's cheaper on Amazon by like $2. You can get it for 23, or actually by $1, so you get it for 23.92. I don't know, but anyway, we also got 2 packs too, so we're gonna open those. Let's just look at the box. So it says Yokai Watch Model 0. It's kind of weird doing this without anything in the way. So watch does not tell time. Download, scan, discover 3 hour 44 1.5 fees. They're included. 4 plus Hasbro. The watch itself. Yeah. 2 exclusive medals. So there's Jibanyan, and people are saying this, come on, so I don't know, I just go with what people said. They say there's nothing. I feel this box is kind of unnecessarily huge. That's just me. The prototype had these opened, but anyway, so I'm in this weird position. The stand is recognizes 57 plus yokai medals. Yo, motion animation. Nate. Download. Yeah. I'm not even this far in the show, in all honesty. I'm only at episode 10 because I catched up like last week. Yeah. Again, it's the same stuff. Try me. Yokai Watch. See your motion in action. The top. Yokai Watch. Focus. Music. Yo, motion animation. Jibanyan. Or sound. Recognizes 70. Yeah. There is an 8 again with the Yokai Watch. So we go to the back. Project Yo motions. Yokai tribe song. Jibanyan recognizes all Yo motion medals. Same stuff we've been talking about. 3 ways to play. Yeah. Now, let's back up. And this is not straight. That's too high. Okay. Let's just compare this with the Yokai Watch Season 1 box. Now, I like this one a little bit more because it pops. And, you know, it doesn't waste space. And, you know, it's just simple. So, I feel this one's unique. This one is just, like, you know, it's just a box. But anyway, we're gonna do the try me feature. And as you can see that, as you see the Jibanyan medal, there's a light there. And if we aim it up here, we see the Yo motion if we can. Yeah. Let's just focus. You see the Yo motion back there. Anyway, let's finally get this thing opened. So, shoot, I just knocked over my Z medals. As I'm just gonna say, as you can obviously tell, this is different from the Yokai Watch Type Zen. I'm just going to call it the Type 0, because that's what it basically is. It did come with the same, or actually it sort of came with the same medals, because this Jibanyan medal is actually different. It's not the one that came with the Japanese one. The medal that came with the Japanese one here, it got released with Yokai Watch 2 Bony Spirits or Fleshy Spirits. I don't know. I don't know if I should get both of them. I don't even know if I should get the physical versions. I just don't know, because you know. Oh, there's tape here too. Wow, this is like really taped. Okay. Is there more tape? It better not be. Or both sides are taped. I don't know. Oh, yep, okay. Gosh, they taped this really well. I gotta say, this way of this type of taping is just real unique. I gotta give them that. Okay, so we got that out of the way. We got the watch. Here are the instructions. Yokai Watch Model 0 with the motion technology power switch. Quote unquote power switch. It's not really a power switch. This is try me. Play. Insert metal. Yokai Watch 0 Voice Tribe Sounds. Season 1 medals. Series 2 medals. Your motion medals only work with Yokai Watch Model 0. Yeah. As we lift and hold projector. Hold the watcher 5-8. Okay. Okay. Where was this? Underneath? I don't know. Where was it? Underneath? I don't know. Again. Okay, how are we going to open this without wrecking it? You can't. The light's too bright, but can we project it somewhere else? You can't. That's not even on frame, but okay. So the flaps are taped, so we got it like. The flaps are like just. So we just simply move that out. Move this flap out. Again, I don't know if these are in frame, but so now what? We gotta cut. See, the Yokai Watch wasn't this complicated. It was actually simpler. There's tape. Okay, there's tape there. Like, okay, actually, the Yokai Watch was, I don't want to say harder. I don't want to rip it. I really don't, but it feels that's going to be the result. So I'm just carefully taking this out. So we just okay. There's a tray back there. We're gonna take out. Come on, because this is not even in frame. But here's his metal. He's a shady QR code. Yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna take out the Model 0. If we could. Here it is. It's just stuff we can just easily take out. So we just untie this. How do you come off? Oh. It's just, yeah, you gotta get it from under here too, so we gotta like, take that off. Do it from down here. I'm doing this without cutting it, I don't know why. Actually, we might have to cut this off. Yeah, we're gonna cut it off. I should have just cut it off in the first place, but this isn't in frame. That's scary. Yes, I know these unboxing videos can be like tedious to you guys because you don't like it when I unbox stuff. But I don't know. I feel like talking about Yokai Watch because I've been like getting more into it lately, and we got that up. So, I know the movie happened, even though I'm not that far. Well, I couldn't watch the movie because, you know, it's not in my area. So let's get the Japania middle out, and oh my gosh, this feels so nice. Ah, but I got this thing. Like, I thought this was the plastic. But no, it's actually on it. I'm kind of disappointed. But we gotta see. I thought it was just this plastic, but I guess it actually got on it. But, let's just put this back on quickly. Gotta pull these back in the tabs. We're 12 minutes in. I'm sorry, guys. This is going to be like a 30-minute video. But I know there's this exclusive metal, PowerRider. Yeah, that's his name. But yeah, I wish, you know. That's why I was like, kind of like, huh, this, like, you know, because I want at least, I don't know. I'm kind of like, on exclusive metals, because you know, there's no place in the medallion for them, so I'm kind of like not as into them, but yeah, we gotta get rid of these scraps. Plus, we got metals to open, so I'm like taking so much time. Actually, we could have put these scraps here, right next to it. But anyway, actually, we still need this. We don't need you anymore. And like, there's like so much stuff from Yokai Watch I want. Especially the Japanese ones, but we'll talk about that later. So here's my first impressions of the Model Zero. It's really cool. It's like, yeah, it locks into place. Yeah, you can't turn it like this. Yeah, that scared me, but as you can see, there's a huge light coming from here. It's so bright. Mega Mamashi, Mega Mamashi, Mega Hageshi. We don't need ghost references here. See, there's the frames under there. Oh gosh, that light is really bright. It's the same strap from the first watch, just in blue, but I really love the blue. Kind of wish this was some metallic, but oh well. So there's the 012. You're like, oh, summoning time. Then like, summoning Charmin or whoever. This is the 0's a sticker, sadly. But, anyway, when you put in a metal, like, it doesn't read. Okay, so you now to turn it on, you just switch it. What the? That was weird. Okay, so you turn it on. What the heck? Okay, so we got that fixed. I don't even know what's with this, but anyway, to turn it on, you get that, and okay. So when you push the lever up, it just does that. Unlike the Japanese one, you can't press it down because how huge the button is. You can turn it. You can turn this into 1. You can turn it to 2. You can turn it back to 0. When you hold it.
Searching for yokai.
As you can see, there's a light, as I showed before. Let's do this in the dark for a second.
Searching for yokai.
As you guys can see that, that's really dim in all honesty. Okay, lights on. I don't even know how I had this set up. Anyway, but yeah, let's just put on the watch really quickly. Of course, unlike the first one, this one doesn't open up. So, yeah, that might be like a down for some people, but, you know. Does this one go the complete opposite? Because I don't remember it going like this. But, surprisingly, the material is actually, it's not as thick. I actually really like that. I kind of didn't really like the thickness of it. So we're gonna move you away and view at our medals again, just so we remember what they are. So here's Jibanyan. I don't remember which version this is. Jibanyan S. I don't remember. But, as you can tell, they made the picture diagonally so they fit the motion. As you can see here, that's just really terrible. Look, the frames. And why did you go like that? Anyway, he's a charming. His track and his QR code for your use. So, yeah. Here again is come on, come on. He's a shady tribe. His picture is smaller due to the emulsion. Don't zoom. His track and his QR code for your use. Again, I don't have a use for it, so yeah. So now we're gonna look at the Model 0 and its functionality. And, you know, have some fun. So unlike the Yokai Watch, you can't press it. You slide in the metal, and as you can tell, what the heck, toy? Just, what the heck? Anyway, without any spoilers, let's just focus. It won't even get the 2, but anyway, you turn this to 1. So
Summoning time.
oh my gosh, I love that so much. Anyway, unlike the Japanese one, it loops 3 times. This one only loops once, but I kind of understood. At first, I was really disappointed, but then I just like understood why, because you know in the show it only did loop once, so it kind of does make sense. Anyway, you turn this into 2, show accuracy, to summon him.
Summoning charming.
Yes, he has the same quote as from the Yokai Watch. So then you push this up one, like you just push it up for his name. Then you push his frames up, but we're gonna aim it. As you can guys see, can we look up here for it? What? Okay. I'm gonna turn off the lights so you guys can see it. Can you guys even see that? Look at the ground. Oh, it's showing up really. This camera doesn't really do that well at picking stuff up in the dark. But there, that's better. Yeah. Okay, so when we're done with that, turn that back to 1 and yeah. So now what we're gonna do, come on, just simply put them in, turn them to 1.
Summoning time.
Again, I really love that. And turn it to 2.
Summoning Shady. Come on. Come on.
Protection time!
Come on.
Okay, there. So those are the 2 you get out of this. So, but I'll just show you something. So let's just take Jibanya, but you don't have to start at 1. You can start at 2.
Summoning time.
And like, I don't know which trick I'm. This has so much things that the Japanese one like. It just has like so much like, you know, once you go to 2, you like sums already, but then anyway, we're just gonna do this one. Then you go to 1 and like.
Summoning Charming.
But then basically you start at 1 and you insert it.
Summoning time.
And like you take it out and put in come on.
Summoning Shady. Come on.
So like you can do that. Like you can do this too. Like you can just
Summoning time.
yeah. Cause either way it's gonna be like, cause you turn it. Yeah, so it knows which ones you do. Like, you turn it off, turn it back on, and now I'm having that same problem. Yeah, there's something with my on and off switch. Like, it's on, it's just, it doesn't give me. In fact, it's on, but anyway, you insert it and put it into 1. Actually, I'm gonna do that again. So you put it into 1, Okay, so then you put it in. It like
Summoning Shady.
yeah, so like just to make sure, always end off of 2. Just so it always starts off with this. Oh, summoning time. Oh yeah, there's the Nulcers too, I believe. That's just the same way. Yeah.
Summoning time. Summoning Shady.
Yeah. But yeah, there's just so much things with this watch that like the Japanese one doesn't do. Like, you know, you put it into one, and like there's just like so much complicated stuff. Anyway, just in general for the basically this half of this, I recommend the Model Zero if you can't wait, we can't do that. We gotta compare the watches. There's so much stuff. I was like, yeah, I recommend this watch, but no, we can't do that. But anyway, so what the? I can't.
Oh! Searching for yokai.
But these speakers are in different places. This one's less straight. Probably have to wear it more, but yeah, they're basically the same thing. They have the same sticker basically. Just, you know, this one's a bit bulkier. This one has the cool light. This is supposed to be the light, but you know it's not. And let's just pull the Japanyan metal. The actually we're not gonna use that one. We're gonna use the one that came with the watch, just to be more accurate. Okay, so you know the Yokai Watch came with the US exclusives Japanyan and Whisper. Well, you know this one came with Japanyan S, I believe, and come on. As you guys know, this is one of the problems. It doesn't want to open. As you guys know, even though this is Japanyan, the Nulcers don't even recognize it. Cause like I don't get why, but like they're both completely different tracks. I don't get that. And no, you cannot put come on in there. Yeah. But you can, like what I read off the instructions, put these in here. So we're gonna do that. Zoom in a bit. We're gonna just do Japanyan first. Cause you know which one? Which one? The accurate one or the toy? Okay. We're gonna. I don't like how actually the Nulcers sound more like how they are supposed to be. Yeah, they do. Yeah, I'll give them that. The Nulcers, actually, oh shoot, no, not the box. Anyway, we're just gonna do the show accurate Japanyan metal.
Summoning time.
See, that's normal, but then
Summoning Charming.
that's it. No, it doesn't say Japanyan. Just
Searching.
yeah, it doesn't even like recognize it. It just like no. So it's good they're cross compatible. It's just they don't do anything. Here's Whisper. So he doesn't play anything because I don't know if this is technically a spoiler, but Whisper is actually part of a tribe. He's part of the Slippery tribe, or the Yoron, as shown in Yokai Watch 3, because he has a U medal, and he gives Kenta his medal, so he's officially confirmed to be a Slippery. But as of for us, he's no tribe, so it would have been cool if he had the Slippery.
What's up, my corporeal friend? I am Whisper, at your service.
Yeah.
What's up, my corporeal friend? I am Whisper, at your service.
So at least Whisper has this sound, but yeah. So that's the cross compatibility with this. So to move that out of the way, to move this, I don't have the medallion or the pages for these, but anyway, we're just gonna open them and see what we get. Hopefully we don't get doubles. If we do, then I'm gonna get sad. So that means I gotta send more to friends. Yeah. Ta-da! Ooh, that's cool. Bujinyan and Kappa. I don't know. I heard there's 2 Kappas. But hey, we're almost actually done with the classic medals. So there's Kappa and Bujinyan. I believe that's his name. Again, I haven't played the second game. I still need to complete the first game. I'm stuck on it. Yeah, I'm stuck in Yokai Watch. Yeah. It's been, I don't know. So, that's... See, we haven't yet gotten any duplicates again, but I might jinx myself, sadly, so... Ooh, hologram. Okay. We still haven't gotten duplicates, so that's good. I don't know who this guy is. But this one's filled with brave and tough. But I believe this guy's name's Swollen. I don't know. There's so much braves. We haven't gotten a Slippery, but I don't know. So we have now. Put that away. There's no point of showing in the motion or the season 1 watch. So we're just gonna. So we got 4 new medals, and look, we're gonna add all of these up now, which I'm really proud of. I know you got 1 Kappa in the medallion, or it was was it the pages? Yeah. So we got 4 Kappas, no, 4 classic medals, and 6 Z medals, or they're called Yomotion medals. I don't know. Again, I'm not that far in the show. I'm only up to like episode 10. But hey, finally I got a Banyan, because I need to collect series 2. But anyway, we're just gonna. So my pile has been like rising. So this is how much we got, and I'm gonna do the sound, all the sounds for those for now. The projections, I don't know. Anyway, so here's Buchanyan.
Oh, summoning time. Summoning Charming.
Buchanyan! Buchanyan!
Sergeant, whatever. I know. Supposedly he's a popular character. I don't know.
Oh, summoning time.
I love that so much. I love most of the instrumentals for these. I really do.
Summoning frame. Sergeant Burley.
Sergeant
Feel the burn.
Sergeant Burley, yeah, that's his name.
Sergeant Burley. Oh, summoning time. Summoning frame.
His fit. I'm surprised how thick this is. It's really thick.
Oh, summoning time. Summoning frame. Demuncher.
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 Robonyan. He's tough, so you know what that means.
Oh, summoning time. Summoning tough. Robonyan. Robonyan.
Yeah, he still has the same sound and the same picture from Series 2. Yeah, I really need to get Series 2. They have most of the yokais, I know.
Oh, summoning time. Summoning tough. Swelton.
Did I get his name right?
Swelton.
I think I did. Oh no. Okay, now moving on to the classic medals. Oh, okay.
Oh, summoning time.
I really love Parichi. Or Charming.
Summoning charming. Bull Kappa. Bull Kappa.
Bocappa? Oh. Mysterious?
Oh, summoning time. Summoning mysterious.
Smognella.
Smogmilla.
Smognella.
Oh, summoning time. Summoning heart ball. Smashable. Smashable.
I thought this was a female. Doesn't it look like one? Well, you can't see, but no. I thought it was a female. I really did.
Oh, summoning time. Summoning heart ball.
Pally-saw! Pally, 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 pally.
Huh? Oh, okay.
Pally-saw!
Well, that's basically it for these. Let's do it. It's might as well. So we're gonna pull Grumples, Shogunyan. Who else? We don't have any Wicked. Wicked. stick it. Who kind wicked, wicked. Huh. I'm trying too hard, but anyway, let's do eerie, cause you know.
Oh, summoning time. Summoning Eerie.
Let's do one of my favorites.
Oh, summoning time.
Gosh, why did we have to? Why did the dub have to like basically like not ruin it, but like not. I really love the Japanese version of the Yoron more than Slippery, but I have been liking Slippery more.
Summoning Slippery.
Now, finally.
Oh, summoning time. Summoning Legendary. Oh,
I don't remember how to get the Wicked, but I think it involves using Anaconda, if you can find them. I have to hurry because I only got 2 minutes. I don't want to make this like. So like, it involves using Anaconda because he's always the one to use. Like, you want to like, slowly. I don't know how you do it, but.
oh, summoning time.
Sorry, I have to listen to that, but I don't remember how you do it, but
Summoning Slippery.
it's not it. I'll be back. Okay, so I'm trying to get Wicked, but then instead I got this.
Oh, summoning time. Summoning Heartful.
Hi, Nomi. Hi, Nomi. Hi, Nomi.
Should they have animation? Okay, but anyway, I guess we're getting some progress. I don't know. Like, I've been like struggling with this.
Oh, summoning time. Summoning Heartful.
Hi, Nomi.
Yeah, that's not what I need. I don't know how to do the trick. I forgot, but it's like.
Oh, summoning time.
I'll be back again. Okay, guys, I like literally like spent an hour trying to like hack this, trying to get the Wicked, but it's just really difficult. Where's my Anaconda? Cause like I don't know the trick.
Oh, summoning time.
I literally do not know the trick anymore. So like I try to look it up, but then I can't find the videos anymore. So like I know like it involves like you have to like that doesn't work, but like you have to like
Oh, summoning time.
you have to like put in like the metal. Like you have to place this near one. And like you have to like place this near one.
Summoning time!
You have to put it near one, or I'm just going to do two. Like,
Summoning time!
I don't know, like people do Anaconda, people used like, where is he? People use Whisper. I'm like, I really don't know what to do exactly.
What's up, my corporeal friend? What's up, my corporeal friend?
Like as you guys saw before, I was only able to like.
Summoning time!
Cause like, I don't know, I just slowly put that in.
Summoning Slippery! Summoning time! Summoning Slippery!
I just don't know.
Summoning time! Summoning time!
But yeah, I just give up. I really just give up. So let's just clean this up and finally resolve this. So after I clean all this up. Do I recommend the Yokai Watch Model 0? Yes, I highly do. Like, if you're like a really big fan of like, I guess Yokai Watch, but then like, you should go get this. Like, if you're like really bored of this and want to like the watch blue, and like, you know, like doing stuff like this, like in all honesty, I actually like doing this. But yeah, okay, but just like if you really like it, like its look, then yeah, I recommend it. The green the Z metals, I kind of wish they were translucent, but I kind of get why they can't be, because you know the Yomotion. But you really like the Yomotion technology, and again, I recommend it. But it's like if you like the look, like the Yomotion technology, like the Z metals, like the classic metals. Yeah, I recommend this. If you can't, you somehow can't afford the Japanese one. Okay. I feel like you could kind of pick between which one, whatever one you want, the Japanese one or the American one, because the Japanese one is actually pretty cheap, and I'm actually planning to get it. I don't know when, but just sometime getting it. But just know the Japanese one is actually less bulkier, and you know when you put it into 2, it summons right away. Put it into 1, it does the Sonin song, and it doesn't have the Yomotion technology, which is why this thing is actually so thick. But and also this is not shiny. But yeah, so I completely recommend this. And again, you get a different Jibanya medal. And yeah, so yeah, I recommend this. So this is PowerRider, and well, I don't even know how I'm gonna do this. I'll leave you people. I'm sorry for keeping you for like 40 minutes, I believe. Just for a simple video. My gosh, I'm really sorry. Bye.